Today I'm here to give y'all a little update. So today I'm going to be showing you how to send stuff to manufacturers and how to make it as smooth and simple as possible. So let's get right into it. There are the questions that I ask my manufacturer. I always ask them this. Okay, the reason I ask them for the MOQ is because I want to know how much they need, and then I ask them for how much for each one. Because I had two manufacturers. One gave me, he said he can do it in like 3 days, but the thing costs like $15 for $20 MOQ. I mean, for 20 product MOQ. But then my other one is 20 MOQ, but he said it's $10 for the shirt, and I could get more profit from that and put it back in my business. Another question I asked is that I asked them what payment method. If I normally look for Western Union, because MoneyGram and the other stuff not working for me. Western Union the only one that worked for me. But I'm telling you, that's not the safest one. Do whatever you feel is safest. Here is the product that I'm releasing and getting a sample for. I'm gonna do it in multiple colors. Y'all let me know what colors. It's a raw way tea. I ain't gonna say I too much, you feel me? But then, basically, you send them a TechPack, and let's get it and show you about this other stuff. All right, for this part, the manufacturer always gonna ask for a PDF. They basically just individual things of your design. So right here, I got the front design, the raw wave face right here. Then right here, I got the text, which is the back design. And I just have them on a blank background. And what you do is go to File, go to Export As, and then just PDF. And bam, it's gonna be cool. White background don't matter. They just need to access it, change dimensions and all that. So that's the PDF part. Then here go my TechPack. Basically, I don't put too much no more, but the TechPack can have this stuff in it, but I'm not doing that no more. Just show them how I want it to look, where I want to position and stuff. I told my manufacturer center, I emailed them the PDF, and I emailed them the TechPack. So the TechPack, it has my dimensions. It has the GSM, the fabric, the material, cotton, and the printing method. And also like the width and stuff. You can add more to that if it's specific colors, specific what you want things, if you want a woven tag, etc., etc. So basically, that's basically it for that. And I used the reference from one of my other TechPacks. As you see, this is a little more detailed woven tag, no drawstring, blah, blah, blah. But this is just a regular t-shirt. And then you just pay them with their payment method. And that's basically it. It's a quick, simple process. So this is a quick little video. I just want to show y'all, take y'all on that journey. So I'll be getting this sample. I hope it's one of the samples that blow up my brand. And I might rebrand my brand just because the name is throwing me off a little bit. But I might rebrand it. But I'm really hoping, I'm praying, my higher power, praying that the design does well. Because it's one of the face designs, but I also customize it. So I hope it does well, and I'm going to continue pushing the momentum. There's so many things I want to reinvest in, and y'all go see it along the way. Don't mind that call. It's from GTA. I'm playing GTA. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you for watching the video. Peace out.